What's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles, and today we're doing some classic Bruce Springsteen, Hungry Heart. This is a great song, and it only has 4 chords, so that's great. We do have different 4 chords later for the solo. We don't have to learn that, but they raised the key for a second. But let's start with putting your cape on 1st fret, please. Standard tuning 1st fret. Okay, so let's get to it. We got C major. 1, 2, 3. A minor. So from C major, let's just do that. These guys stays where they are. Bam. D minor. 1, 2, 3, and G major. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. C 2, 3, 4, A minor, D2 minor, G major, C major, A minor, D minor to G. Try this kind of strumming. It's kind of fun for this song. Down, and then you go kind of glide over all the strings, and then up, and then up, down, up. Gives it kind of a 60s feel. Advanced players, if you want to learn the solo part when they raise the key, it's all bar chords. They go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6, 6, 8, 8, 8. To a minor chord here. That's 3, 5, 5, 4. Okay, and then another minor chord here. 1st fret, barring 1st fret. 3, 3, and then this major chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6, 8, 8, 7. Last time, I go back to G, and then we're back in original key. Hungry Heart, the boss. Thanks guys for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow. Take it easy. Be safe.